Uncommonalities in nature. There is great confusion or misunderstanding about what is uncommon in nature and what is actually the truth of source being expressed. The human condition, the inner suffering and pain that is often felt by the individual, is one solely as a result of the mentality, the ideas, the beliefs, the belief systems, the dominant ideas that have been accepted, that have been perpetuated out of fear down through the generations. But if you look out into nature, if you look at the dynamics that occur, if you look at the interconnectedness that is obvious, you will find the truth of source. You would find the truth of your inner being, not through the perspective or the understanding of a low vibration idea of good and bad, right and wrong. But when you perceive the activities in nature through the higher frequencies, the higher tones of source, you will witness a pure truth of acceptance, a pure truth of allowance, the pure truth of perfection, of precision in the coming and going of souls into this physical reality and exiting this physical reality, free of shame, free of guilt, free of frustration, anger, all of the things that plague the mind of humanity. An animal who finds itself eaten by another has chosen that as its exit. It was its time. It was not a traumatic end. It was not a bad day. Its soul knew. Its inner being knew. And that was its chosen exit. It could have been a fall. It could have been a car. It could have been many different things, but it was its chosen exit. And as hard as it may be for many of you to believe, as you perceive reality through lower vibration, the truth of source is that experience is the purpose of existence. The expansion of you as source energy, as a pure piece and parcel of source that is experiencing your third dimensional reality for a brief period of time. Whose inner being, whose soul already knows the exit time. And that exit time or the exit could happen through many different possibilities. Some further in the experience that is logged away in your records. Some could be a quick happening. Unbeknownst of the individual, of its time and place. All perfect, all precise. And when you begin to perceive nature from this perspective, and when you begin to perceive the experience creating and the evolving of humanity from this perspective, and you begin to release your guilt, when you begin to release your judgments and your blame, when you begin to release all of these low vibrational ideas, you will find freedom for yourself as an individual. You will find personal power for yourself as an individual, because the truth of you can really begin to shine. as you expand your intentionality, as you expand your ability to act on your inspirations, the truth of you begins to shine. And the mistake that is made from lower vibrational perceptions and interpretations is that the full expression of an individual can be damaging, can be hurtful, can be menacing in some way. But what they are missing is the idea of full free expression in the highest frequencies and the highest tones. Frequencies close akin to love without condition. Frequencies close akin to exhilaration, excitement. These frequencies, these tones, expressed purely, reflected purely by your third dimensional reality, equal experiences in the highest. And that which you deem negative, that which you deem bad, does not exist in those frequencies, in those tones. We challenge you to seek to express these tones consistently and observe the consistent reflection of your reality, the consistent reflection that the universe will respond back to you. The truth of nature is more true than you think. The truth of nature is more close akin to the nature of source than you think. It only conflicts with the mind of humanity from the lower vibrational perspective. Seek higher vibrations. Seek higher frequencies, higher tones expressed, and begin to allow in the understanding, the perspectives, and the interpretations that are aligned with those frequencies and those tones. We are thankful and grateful for the opportunity to share. We are thankful for the vessel. We are thankful for each of you offering fertile grounds for these transmissions. We are here for you. From our now non-physical perspective, offering that which we know to be true, that which we know will transform your life. We celebrate you. We honor you. And we love you. We love you. We love you.